Dog. It's just brilliant. I feel like being in the presence of greatness.
Oh, you want me to say dog? Like dog, 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 dog. Oh, you want me to say dog?
Dogs. I don't know.
Dogs. Yeah. Dog. So not an animal. It's a.
Dog, 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 dog.
I guess it's dogs.
Doctors.
Yeah, dogs.
That was perfect.
Meal was wow. At the first we had like great connection, great energy.
You know how actors are. They will do anything to get a job, so we call them actors.
I'm a professional dancer, so this wasn't pretty hard for me to do.
He didn't get the dogs. He kept saying dogs.
I still don't get it. Dog. What was she talking about?
Usually director likes me, but with Camila, I have no freaking idea.
He's my favorite.
She's being a bit bossy, and like I was sweating a lot, and I told her that I sweat, you regret.
She wants dogs. I don't know. I sang the song the way I thought it should be sung.
Khalifa. I mean,
I sang it the way it was supposed to be.
I'm glad it's over.
Pjesma, katolična pjesma, to je bilo samo nešto hu-ha, ho-ho, džungla, a ne pjesma.
You need a special director to work with older people, always with respect, always taking your time. She was very attentive to every one of my directions. They were very simple directions.
Šaljipo se, maši, ljubi se, pa maltretira me, zahtjevna je do Boga.
You were my fastest actor ever.
I uvijek sve iz prve uspijem snimit, a Kamila stalno ispravlja oko riječi, pjesme, tako, dogs, tako nešto. Zbunjujuće.
No comments.
We worked with amateurs this time, and it was nice. It was really nice.
We are used to the professionals usually, but
this was not it.
This was not professional at all, but it was good. It was good.
It was good. It was passable. This was level of passable, and they were like this. So
They did a good job.
Yeah,
they did their best.
We pulled that off.
Let the dogs out.
Dogs. Heal the G.
Camila, it's not. It's dogs. It's dogs.
Come on, I know the song. It's dog.
Who let the dogs out?